guys, it is the same day as the gauge install video. If you haven't seen the gauge install video of these puppies right here, go ahead and go check that video out. But now it is time to install something that I have wanted my entire life, okay? An exhaust flamethrower system. So right here we have the Hot Licks exhaust for the duals. Comes with 2 spark plugs, comes with all the wires you need, the spark plugs, the caps. I mean, it is pretty sweet. And I am on E85, so the flames should be like blue. And I'm boosted, so there's gonna be a little bit more airflow through the exhaust, and it should do the thing. It should really blow some flames out. So we're about to install this. It looks really simple. You gotta tap into one fuse in the fuse box to cut spark, and we should be all right. The hardest part's gonna be drilling the holes in the exhaust. I need to weld the bungs in. I don't have them, so we're just gonna drill through, use the nuts. I've seen in one video a guy just used the nuts on the other side and just tightened them down real good and added some red Loctite. So we're gonna do that, and we're gonna be shooting some flames by the end of this video, hopefully. Or we're gonna blow the car up and it's gonna burn to the ground. I'm an insurance claim that I don't want to talk about. But anyway, let's get on it. Okay, so we've got to go to fuse 40 here, which is this one, which is this wire, which is what sends power or signal to the coil packs. We're gonna cut this in half, and we've got to run 2 wires from here, one from this side, one from this side. And the positive side, where the power is gonna come from, goes to a switch that is going to send power to the spark plug module that goes into the exhaust. So right now, I'm gonna push these through, get all the front wired up, and then we're gonna move to the back. What in tarnation? Well, that's one way to make things pretty, huh?
Just hold it at the very back.
That should be good. Look at that. I was about to have straggly old wires all over the place. See, this is why I like you, Compty. You make me better. Oh man, I ran one of those wires the wrong way. Oops, oh well, it'll buff out. Okay, so we're gonna send these this way.
Chill right up through that.
What's through there?
My fingers.
Well, there's no grommet on there. I'll do it this way with all the rest of them.
Is there a grommet?
No, but there's not. Here. I know how to fix this. Where to go? Because that's going to have constant power through it. We can use this. The hook. It's the claw.
Go up a little bit. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Got him. Well, that's all of it. All right, we'll go under here. Golly day. Now, I wish I would have used different colors now.
Maybe pulled more than we needed. Oh, really off by like 2 feet.
Yeah, 2 feet. All right. So I want it to look nice. So probably just zip tie it up behind there. Because you open the hood and you're gonna see that so blatantly. Can I tuck it behind that fire? Yes, behind there. Yeah, just get a flathead to pull it out of there. There you go, look at that. I need it back though. Run it up behind all this. And behind here. Oh no. Say excuse me to the viewers.
Excuse you.
Okay. Spot where it's not going to go under because there's something there. Take me home, country road. What is that? Oh, just a ground, you know. No big dealio. I have something. Keep running that, please. A lot more professional, Compty. Would have been better to think about this in the beginning, but hey.
Stick to your wheelhouse. Hey, it didn't waste as much wire as I thought.
Good deal. I just need to get this all on here. And it'll look daggone factory. Tuck that like that.
How much more of that do you got?
There should be a bunch down there in that bag. I just pulled out this little piece. I don't know how much small's in there though. I think I used some. Oh, come on, what's it rolling in here for? This is a pain. Alright, I'll pull the camera back up and we'll get the next one. Alright, so we got that wire all tucked away. You can't even see it. There it is right there, coming through there. Goes underneath, tapped into fuse 40, which is at 15. Put the positive, or the red wire I used, from the fuse going in, and then the brown wire I used going back into the harness. So that should give us power to our box back there. We got those wires running down through here into this grommet, which I got to put back in. I've ran everything through. Boost gauges, all my fuel pressure wires and everything. If I can get it back in there. Golly day. That's just janky looking for Ford, but alright. Yeah, baby. I wish I would have got that one in there, but it happens. So I'm gonna get the wheel back on so we can drop the front, lift up the back, and start drilling the holes.
Now we're just securing these relays down here like they should have been done in the first place, whoever installed them.
Shouldn't you move those back so I can get the caps off? Oh no, I see what they do, never mind. Psh, fuel tank.
You think the fuel tank wraps around your spare tire?
It's a joke.
Yes, you could do both of those too.
I don't know about that one. That doesn't have a mount on it, but that one does.
That one that you took off was the mount for it.
You mean the one I took off? Oh.
I just vacuumed in here, so it's probably sucked up in the vacuum. I'll go take a gander. Alright, so Company has the box mounted in nice back here. I grounded it right here to the already in-car ground. Ran the power wire up to the switch. Got the spark plug wires, ran down each grommet and each side. Company's getting ready to jack the car up so we can drill the holes in the exhaust. And I am fixing to hook up the switch right here. And I'll show you guys what that is. Okay, so here's our switch. So what I've read and everything is your power, which is this one. This is on the fuse side, what comes straight out, goes in to this right here, right in the middle. You just push that on there. Now this is the wire that we cut. You know, this is the fuse side, this is the harness side. So this one goes right here on the bottom, so it's it's always open, so your car runs. Like, this is always connected in here. And now this one is the one from the control module, and that one goes right here on the top. So now, in theory, once we get the spark plugs put in the back, the car should start. We press this button, and the spark plugs light off in the back. Now I just need to install this right there, somewhere around here. I don't know how that's gonna work really, because there's not. I don't know. I just don't know. Everyone online had theirs installed right here. Let's see what our panel looks like. So I mean, that I imagine sits up there pretty flush. No, maybe we'll have some room. Oh yeah, we'll do it in right there. Oh yeah, plenty of room. So I'm gonna put it like right here. No, right there. So I gotta drill a hole, slap it in there, and we're ready for the races, or the fire, you should say. Come on. Puppy dog, do you approve? Do you approve of what's going on here? Ty, do you approve? Lick my knee if you approve. No? Yes? No? What about you, Wilson? Do you approve? Do you approve? I don't really approve of myself either. But anyway, guys, so we got all that on there. Company's trying to pull the exhaust down so we can get that drilled out the nice way and not all janky. Well, Company has the exhaust pulled out. And so I am just cutting this down here, trying to make it nice and flat so that way the switch lays in there real good. I don't want it to sit all crooked and whatnot. So get a hole drilled. I wanted it like right there, so that's where I put it. I think that's going to be the best spot. There's the most room behind it and everything else. I need this little corner knock down here. I don't like using razor blades. I cut the tip of my finger off with one, trying to make a tequila bottle into a fuel tank. I wish I had a Dremel. Tomty probably has one, but I don't want to ask him for it.
Was these a really big tequila bottle, or you weren't going very far?
It was on a little tequila 50. Well, we called it a tequila 50. It was a little 50cc four-wheeler I pulled out of the bushes and got running. And fuel tank was all messed up, so I used a tequila bottle as a fuel tank. And when I was it had a plastic cap. I didn't realize the ring was metal. And I was trying to cut it, and I slipped the tip of my finger off right there. I wonder what it sounds like without the mufflers.
No.
Why? One does not simply take the mufflers off and not see what it sounds like. Starts putting them back on.
It's this corner redneck again.
Don't hate.
I don't. I discriminate.
Oh, golly.
You got that on there?
Yeah.
I just push the boot over.
Get the fuck out of my way.
Back up, no more drooling, no more drooling. All right, throw him up. All right, we got one on. This is all out of whack. Tom just grabbed onto it and yanked her straight, hit it dead perfect. Look at that. All right, there she is, she's inside. He's gonna get that one on there, hook the battery back up and give it a test. And you turn the ignition on, hit the button. If it goes tat tat tat, start it up, warm it up, wapow. Let's see if it works. All right, so we should, from the directions, you turn the key on if you have it, and then you should hit the button and hear it flicker. Go look. Look inside the exhaust pipe. Is it working?
Hit the other one. Yep.
Both of them.
Yep.
All right, put the car down. Let's warm it up. Woo, baby! That ain't good. So I didn't read the directions and just listened to a guy off of YouTube. And the control module for the spark wire is supposed to go into the middle. I had the power wire going to the middle, and then the control box to the spark at the top. And the car wouldn't start, as you guys just seen. So now we got it hooked up right, and everything is good. So now, if I hit this button, the car should idle down, but there's a lot of fuel in the exhaust, so we're gonna wait to do that until it heats up, then we're gonna go try our first flame hit. And you're pointing it down too far, aren't you? Alright, Conti, you keep that. Oh, I'm scared! Alright, here we go.
Light him up! Light him up! Light him up! Let it eat! Let it eat! Let it eat! Fuck pussy!